Welcome to the module on the carbon footprint and its impact on climate change. In this video, we'll look at the relationship between the carbon footprint and how humans function in the modern world. Let's get started. People are increasingly keen to limit their consumption of goods that may adversely affect the environment to any degree. At the same time, they are reluctant to carry out the kind of activities that will certainly leave the planet less damaged for future generations. It is therefore important to increase awareness of ecology among young people and adults so that everyone recognizes the destructive impact of humanity on nature. A measure that analyzes the impact on the planet of a person, organization, or product is the carbon footprint. In this module, you will learn about the factors most responsible for the carbon footprint. What is a carbon footprint? The carbon footprint is the sum of carbon emissions resulting directly and indirectly from our activities, lifestyle, the products we choose in the shop, or the services that we use. Each of us leaves a carbon footprint that, multiplied by billions of lives, contributes more or less to the pollution of our planet. Why is it important to teach students about the carbon footprint? It is well known that it is always best to start changing the world with oneself, one's attitudes and consumption behavior. That is why it is a good idea to foster pro-environmental attitudes in pupils and to educate them about their carbon footprint. It is worth arousing their curiosity and awareness so that they often ask themselves, what leaves the largest carbon footprint and what all this has to do with, for example, diet, lifestyle, or the services that we use. Despite the fact that people fear environmental catastrophe, they are not willing to deny themselves some things, such as traveling to distant exotic countries, consuming large quantities of meat, or other products imported from distant countries, continents. Excessive consumerism often also results from a lack of knowledge and awareness of how we contribute to our carbon footprint. For example, in addition to carbon dioxide, the greenhouse effect is also influenced by nitrogen oxides, soot particles, and condensation trails left by aircraft in high parts of the troposphere. So, carbon footprint education, as well as good, sustainable, pro-social and ecological behavior are the keys to changing and saving our planet.